ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Ka Tata Safari ka SUV ka bapaw tam jong ka India minta kalami ha ka jinglong batmai ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment. La play ye ki booking but ya ki jing tip bakhambnia one shaka Frank Motors lat ko ringi lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khanda hinyo lai.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau konrak kongkel sangma ka khatlai trik unok pra arja arpulai la play patba ya ke indoor stadium ha Shnong Nongkseh apa Shillong. Hagani ke sengi la sakhilang da menteri ke Sorkar Jela ke Dr. Ampril Lingdo Menteri ke Sports and Youth Affairs uba Shaklir Warjri unong ai but jo Menteri Rangba uba Hamlet San Doling Urang ba Shnong jong rai Sorkar Nongkseh uba AL thank you senior member jong executive committee ke Dorbar uba royal thank you bagi patba Nongkseh Shnong.
Nongkseh umumnya lost the Luba is very close to Shansi. But we are very sorry that we don't have even one endorsement in Millennium Constituency. With that spirit in mind, with you people have led me as earlier from 2018-23, I have tried my best to see and address and to fulfill the promise which I have said during my election campaign. I am very happy to say that Nongkseh Industry is the first industry in the constituency. This is the only industry that we have in the constituency. Of course, next, we will invite Honorable Chief Minister and Sport Minister and Unico Campaign to come and integrate the Luba Industries, which we have considered at the cost of 1.5 lakhs under the Article 275. Also, sir, we will call you again to only that to integrate the industry, which has been constructed at the cost of 4.5 lakhs. The work is in progress now. Also, sir, we will call you again. It belongs to the stadium. The cost of the stadium is around 8 crore now. It's just a span of 100 years. Because in the early one, we had to go for full day, 5 years, because of COVID-19. Only 3 years, I have only trained lots of sea, especially sports in the Paka constituency.
Ini itu mentai menantam lalu kepada formi di Sorkar. Barang ini mentai menai. Nyala lekal saudam kami terjelas ini itu. Barang ini mentai menai terjelas kerjasama menteri berkaitan dengan Sports and Youth Affairs. Melalui lekal saudam kami terjelas ini. Barang itu ada berjumpa dengan seseorang berjumpa. Bahawa dengan klinik saudara berkejalan ini bakat lu ikut sama ini hidup di sini kita mereka tetap berkembang hantam berbeda berkelahi sports. Bila akan keren kalau berdekat hantam mengimpek dari kejalan ini di berbuat di hendak mengimpek lari di sports kita pun ikut sama ini kita mereka tetap. Barang ini naik lagi agar jalan जो चीफ मिनिस्टर जी चीफ मिनिस्टर दोनों मिला से प्रधान और एक मिला बनले नगर को सम्मान लाखों मुंशी मलाई शोन की बड़ी मलाई शेखर मलाई dari saudara di berkat ikut sama ini dari yang tersebut. Hari kami pernah kita jadi di dalam ekspedisi Sorkar, nak pernah berai pada cenderung berpikir di maupun di dia lalu menurut sport. Bahawa dia pernah kita berhubung di jurnal dan jelas ini. Henry ini tidak mengalami ada bersemen. Bahawa itu di bagian Kristen hanya berkata bahawa orang yang Nongkseh dari saudara yang berjelas ini ialah ayat sedia berbeza. Tak ini pokoknya. Habis beda kuat Islam, ajar itu karena dua malam nutrisi sport universitas. Lalu itu karena yang kuat Islam sport, mereka lebih panggil itu. Kamu dah di ini berjelas. Mereka kalau impek mereka apa kejut komentar ke sport sepanjang kelas itu panggil kata berjelas di dalam usaha.
We have a huge problem when it comes to unemployment. We have a huge problem when it comes to drug abuse. We have a huge problem when it comes to other issues related to the youth in different age groups. And hence, as a government, we try to do what we can to provide the facilities so that we can help the youth of our state move in the right direction. The reason I'm telling you this is because this building is meaningless if the activities and the youth and all of you don't use it for the right thing. It's just a building. I would like to see that we have skill programs happening here. I would like to see that we have sports programs happening out here. I would like to see music programs taking place out here. I would like to see job creation programs. We have programs like CM Elevate program where they're supporting entrepreneurs to start their own businesses. I would like to see this place become active and guide the youth on how you can get different schemes of the government. So my message to you today is that while we are doing all this work, this is meaningless unless the community and the society and we all put our heart and soul and effort into really making a difference for our youth. And we can't do it alone. We finish the inauguration program and we leave. But after that, the real work starts. And hence I do hope that in the coming days, this place could be an example to the rest of the city and the rest of the state to show how a community can come together with the support of the government and working with the youth. We can transform, create opportunities and lead our youth into the right direction. Because I keep telling everybody that the youth is our greatest asset and our greatest resource. I'm happy to announce that you have asked for a stadium and a field to be prepared out here, which is, I would say, the playground that is there. And I'm happy to announce that a total of 2.1 crores is going to be sanctioned for the stadium and for the football ground to be laid out. So our work will continue.
Shna, na beliau Cina. Yang ini benar-benar serius, lagi lagi orang mahu, yang di blok